How to fix Android volume automatically going up or down. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now in order to fix the Android volume automatically going up or down, simply first of all launch the settings application on your device. As you do that, tap on about phone option and make sure that you have stable or the updated version of the software on your device. As you check on it, you can just check for storage on your device, and after checking on storage and make sure that you have enough space, you can just go back and then tap on the option of sound and vibration over here at the bottom. So make sure that all your media and ringtone and alarm volume are kept into the maximum over here. Next, what you can simply do is make a long press on power button and then tap on reboot and restart your device, and this might help you fix your Android volume automatically going up and down issue. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.